Now, internet, it is a network of network. It is made up of network which has millions of computers. It allows accessing of data from anywhere in the world. It provides different facilities which are communication, email, downloading, uploading, telnet, FTP, all these things are there. So it is a network of network. Now, what facilities are they are giving? Communications, mean user can communicate to each other from anywhere in the world. As simple as that. And email, it stands for electronic mail. Most widely used applications of internet. This facility allows users to send files as attachments. We have used, and we all are using right now nowadays email. So we know how easy it is and how simple and easy to use for sending the mail on the internet. And we also can attach files on the email. Now, downloading, it allows the user to copy the files from internet to local hard disk. Means what? We all know that how we can download the data. So we can download the data to the local hard disk from the internet. Information in every field such as education, science, health, history, geography, businesses, etc. can be retrieved through internet. Now uploading. Uploading, we all know that we can send the data. So we can also upload our files, documents, software packages from anywhere in the world. Means that we can download the data and we can upload the data. Means we can receive the data and we can send the data from anywhere in the world to anybody who is using internet. Now, telnet, it lets you to log onto a computer on the internet and run a program. Means what? We can remotely access the computer. Means what? Telnet allows an user to easily connect to distant computer. Means what? Means we can use the computer, we can log into the computer which are far away from us. Now FTP, file transfer protocol there, file transfer protocol application is it allows you to share files to or from the computer. So file transfer protocol is used for sharing the files. And now this is the file transfer protocol, actually this is there. Now www World Wide Web, we all know that it is a collection of documents returned and encoded with HTML. With the aid of the browser program, a user can ask for those documents and display them www is heavily used on the internet.